Hey guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf here with MarineMax at Sapphire Bay on Lake Ray Hubbard. Today I'm here to show you the 2024 210 Sea Ray SPX. All right, so now that we're inside the boat, let me show you guys a couple of cool features on this Sea Ray. Back here, you've got your fold down swim step. So if you guys are in the water, you can hang out, be halfway in, halfway out. Dogs can get in and out of the boat. It's really simple. Pull one switch here, drop it down. Before you leave, drop it back up, you're ready to go. Another cool feature is this starboard side walk through here. Plenty of room to get in and out of the boat. When you're docking, makes it really easy to get in and out. You've got a huge swim platform seating back here. That way if you guys have family swimming back here, you can have enough room for everybody to sit and watch if you're not in the water. Moving inside here, you've got storage in your walkthrough. You can store some fenders or anything you need inside of there. You got your seat back here. Your captain's helm's a good size. The seat's got a bolster on it as well, so you can get up and see over anything coming in front. You also have your wake sports tower here. It's nice. You can hook up a wakeboard or skier, whatever you want to make sure you get that person up and out of the water. You're not towing from the back of the boat. So here at the helm, you've got a great seat here with the bolster on it. You've got a standard 7-inch touchscreen sim right here. It's going to give you all of your information about depth, your oil level, gas. Everything's going to come out of here. Makes it super easy and convenient. Also, everything's on a toggle switch. Makes it really easy to know what's on and off. This boat's going to be rated for 12 people, so plenty of space and get the whole family in here. On this side for your co-captains, you've got a seat that does move forward or back. That way, if something's going on behind the boat, like surfing or skiing, you can switch that so that way your passenger can see behind you. And if it's just you two out on a night cruise, flip it back and you're ready to go. Moving to the front, you've got a spacious bow area, enough for 3 people to kick back, relax. You've got 2 nice stainless cup holders here on both sides, speakers coming out so that way the people on the front of the boat can hear the music loud and clear. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this walkthrough of our 2024 210 SPX Sea Ray. Come see me. I'm out here at Sapphire Bay on Lake Ray Hubbard with MarineMax. My name is Jarrett Vanderwerf, and I'm looking forward to showing you some boats.